Good day everyone. I am Princess Calonsal Joseph and I am going to recite the philosophy, mission, vision, and goals. So let's start. Philosophy. Jose Rizal Memorial State University adheres to the principle of dynamism and cultural diversity in building a just and humane society. Vision. A dynamic and diverse, internationally recognized university. A dynamic, inclusive, and regionally diverse university in Southern Philippines. Mission. Jose Rizal Memorial State University pledges itself to deliver effective and efficient services along research, instruction, production, and extension. It commits to provide advanced professional, technical, and technipreneurial training with the aim of producing highly competent, innovative, and self-revenue individuals. Goals stands for GRAPES. G. Globally competitive education institution. R. Resilient to internal and external risks and hazards. I. Innovative processes and solutions in research translated to extension engagements. P. Partnerships and collaborations with private enterprise, other HEIs, government agencies, and alumni. S. Sound financial management and participatory governance.